Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to you all. Welcome to online classes in the subject Social Studies for the grade 5. Today in the Social Studies we are going to start the new unit of the study from the textbook, that is Unit 5 Ancient History. Here in this we are going to start the new lesson, that is about the lesson 1, the Phoenician Empire, from the page 101 and 102. So from these two pages we are going to study the Phoenician Empire, the first lesson of the Unit 5, that is Ancient History. Ancient history, when we talk about the ancient history, there we can know about the people before the time, in the ancient time, that is what was the civilization ruled over the Mediterranean before the Islam. Also we can see here in the ancient history about the did laws exist in such civilization and who really invented these laws. Such kind of things we can see in the ancient history. So now here the first lesson of this unit we are studying, in which we are going to see that what are the learning objectives of the today's lesson, where we are going to see that who were the Phoenicians and Phoenicians trading ship called Galley. What the Phoenician trading ship and why it was called as Galley, that we are going to see in today's lesson. So here the first part, that is who were the Phoenicians. So let's see about who were the Phoenicians. So here the Phoenicians were the people who migrated from the Arabian Peninsula in 3000 BC. This BC is referred to the before Christ. Before Christ is like the Lord Jesus. It was before the time of Lord Jesus, it was called as before Christ, and settled in the land of Canaan between the Syria and Egypt. So this is about the Phoenicians. What about the furthermore, we will see that the Phoenicians by 1200 BC, the Phoenicians controlled a long strip of land that extended along the Mediterranean Sea and formed many separate city-states. And also the Phoenicians, they were dependent on sailing in order to trade their products. So whatever the products they were making, they were dependent on sailing in order to trade their products. So this is the history about the Phoenicians. So now here further part where we are going to see about the Phoenician territory, where the land of which was controlled under the control of this Phoenician Empire. So this green part land, which we can see from the graph, this map, we can see that this is the land which is particularly for the Phoenician territory, and some of the important cities were mentioned here with the red marks. These red dots, which we can see that there are some cities, some important cities which were marked as the red spots. Like this Dar is there, then this many more cities were there which were considered as the important cities. So this about the Phoenician territory, which is the green part, which you can see from this map of this Phoenician Empire. This map is for particularly for the Phoenician Empire, and this is there in the page 101. We can see from this page 101 also. So now the further part, where this main trading, where they were using the ship and why this ship was called as the Galley. The main trading ship which the Phoenicians used lot in their trading journeys was called the Galley. Galley is the name of the ship which they were using for their trading journeys, and the Galley was also used in the cases of war. In cases of war, this ship was also used at that time, and it is called as the Galley. Galley is the name of the ship which was used in the trading journey as well as in case of war. So here we can see the ship of that time, what kind of ship it was. You can see here from the picture that the Phoenicians trading ship, we can call this as galley. This is the what you can say, Phoenicians when they were going to do the trading, they were using this kind of ship. So we can call this ship as Phoenicians trading ship. And with this we are going to conclude the today's lesson, and I will be back with the new video with the further part of the lesson. Till then you have to revise the page 101 and 102 as the homework activity. You are going to do the revision of these two pages, 101 and 102 pages, and we will be back with the new video for the further part of the lesson. So till then, thank you and goodbye.